Hello everyone and Happy New Year. In today's video, we are going to create a beautiful star rating application in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So without wasting any time, let us begin. So first open Visual Studio Code and create a new HTML page and add the meta tags for the HTML file. That is the boilerplate code for HTML5. Now let us create the other two files which we need. One is the CSS file and I am naming it as style.css and my HTML as index.html, and we also have one more file called the script, that is the JavaScript file, which we will create on the go. Now I am adding the title as star rating and creating a link for linking my style sheet. Now I am adding my I'm using Font Awesome for adding the icons, that is the star icons here. So I am adding the link for that. This link I will add in the description. Now I am creating one more file for my JavaScript and naming it as script.js, and I am adding that as a source here. So we have linked to all the relative files that we needed. Now let us start adding our HTML code. Now first create a division with a class of rating named as rating, and I am creating a header for that. How was your experience? Now I am creating another class called stars and adding my Font Awesome icons. So this is the class I am using for my star, a solid star. So for that I am using the class FA solid, FA star, and I am adding 5 stars here. So these are the codes which we have in our HTML. Now let us just open our HTML page and see, yes, we are able to see 5 stars here. Now let us add the CSS code. So by the way, if you have enjoyed watching my video till now, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you will receive all of my future videos. Now let us go through our CSS code. So first I am styling my body element. I am adding a height of 100 ph, a display of flex, and aligning all my items to the center. Justify content to the center, and now I am for current time temporarily I am adding a color of blue violet. Let's see how it turns out. And for my rating division, I am giving it a background of white, a position relative, and a padding of 25 pixels and 50 pixels and 35 pixels. Border radius of 25 pixels, and I am also adding a box shadow here. So this is the styling for my rating. Now for my header tag, header in the rating division, I am giving it a font size and adding a color of white. Also giving it a font weight and margin bottom of 20 pixels. Also aligning the text to center. So this is what I have in my header. Now I am styling the stars division of my rating. So this is the display, aligning items to the center, and I am adding a gap of 25 pixels between each of the stars. And the color is, I am adding a yellowish color golden color. So for that, in the stars by default will be white, a pale white color, but when you click on it, it should become golden. So we will write the code for that. So here for the stars I am adding a color of white, font size of 35 pixels, cursor is pointer, and there is a transition. So when it becomes to active, when the color changes, there is a delay of 2 seconds, so that it will be easily transitioned into new color. And in my active, when the color becomes active, I am making it as yellow or golden color. So this is what we have with our CSS. I'm changing the background color to something else because I find it very odd to add a blue violet. So I'm now giving a burly wood color, so that when this color of the stars and the background will be matching. Now let us add JavaScript code. So go to the JavaScript page, and I am adding a constant stars, which will to represent all my stars. So I am using document.query selector to select all my star element. Now for each of the stars, we are going to add a event listener. Event listener that runs a function when the click event is triggered. Now we are looping through the stars node list again. Now and adding the active class to the clicked star and any stars with a lower index, and remove the active class from any stars with a higher index. So that is what we are going to do now. So when you click on the lower index star, the what will happen is the ones which are in the right side. So if I'm clicking on a star in the position 3, the 4 and 5 stars will be turning to white. So that is what we are trying to achieve here. So yes, this ends with our coding. Now let us just run and see. So this is our application. So when I click on the stars, it is working fine. It is turning to golden color. So if I click on a lower index star, that is 1, all other stars in the right side are becoming yellow. And if I'm clicking a higher index star, that is from 4, the middle stars are becoming that golden color. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon